In this video, I will tell you how you can update Pikashow app latest version for any smart TV. So first of all, power on your Android TV or smart TV and connect it to Wi-Fi. Then launch the Pikashow app on your TV. If a new version is available, you may see an update available message on screen. So download the latest Pikashow APK on your TV using the browser or downloader app that you have already installed in your TV. Now go to Settings, Security, Install Unknown Apps and Allow Permission. Then after downloading, open the APK file from Downloads, click Install and wait for it to finish it. It will update your existing Pikashow app. Once installed, launch Pikashow app from your apps list. Your Pikashow TV app is now updated to the latest version.